In this video, I want to show you how to set up automated reports through the MyGeotab web portal. Automating reports allows you to put a report on the dashboard like you see here, or you can set up for that report to be sent out via email. We can set this up by clicking on Administration, Reports, and Report Views. If you have any custom reports in your portal, they're going to display in the list first, and then you have built-in reports. And these are the reports that come with your MyGeotab portal. Any report in this list you can set up to put on your dashboard, to be emailed out automatically, or both. To set up a report, all you need to do is click on it, and then to put it on the dashboard, display on dashboard would be turned on. And then you can choose the date range if you want this to be a report that shows the last hour, or today, or yesterday, or last week, and you can choose anything from this list. Here we have refresh every, so this is how often the data is going to refresh in the report. And for this particular report, we can have it refresh anywhere between 30 minutes and every 4 weeks. Next run is when the data will refresh next, and then we have for assets belonging to. When we click on this drop-down arrow, this shows us the different groups of vehicles that we have created. So you would select this if you only wanted this report to show a certain group or groups of vehicles. Display dashboard to myself, you usually need to make sure is turned on. And then under dashboard viewers, you can choose if you want other people to be able to view the report as well. So you can choose for everyone in the company to be able to view it, only for members of a certain group to be able to view it, or you can keep it as just yourself. And that's what we have now. Display dashboard to myself is turned on, and then it says down at the bottom, only one user will see the dashboard. Some reports down at the bottom, below the dashboard viewers, you may also have some additional report options. When you hit save, this report is now going to appear on your dashboard. Setting up a report to be emailed is pretty much the same procedure. Enable email will be turned on. And with an email report, you have the option if you want it to be emailed out as a PDF or as an Excel file. If you plan on printing out your reports, usually PDFs are going to print out better than Excel documents. Just like under the Dashboard tab, we can choose our date range. So again, we can have it report on the previous hour all the way up through the previous 4 weeks. And then how often we want the data to refresh. And when we're talking about an email report, this is how often the email is going to send out. If we want that email to send every 30 minutes, or every day, or every month. Next run is when the email will send out next. And then again, we have for assets belonging to if you only want this email report to show information on a certain group or certain groups. Send the scheduled report to myself is so you will receive the report, and then if you want other people to receive the report, like members of a certain group, or everyone in the company, or leave it at just you. Down at the bottom, we have the option to redirect reports. And this can be based on whether an element of the report is true or false. So for example, you might have, if a certain rule is broken, you want one user to receive it, but if the rule is not broken, you want a different user to receive the report. So that is an overview of how to automate reports using the MyGeotab web portal. When you're done, just make sure that you hit save in the upper left, and your emails will start sending out at the intervals you selected. So that is an overview of how to automate reports through the MyGeotab web portal.